Hello buddy, welcome to our new video. We are going to unload some toys. Some likes this one is, you can see that this one is giraffe. And after that friends, we gonna unload dog.
Nanny nanny boo boo.
Oh, this one is horse. And next one is cow. Oh my god, this one is camel, damn good. Guess what? This one is duck, cute duck. Oh, and now this one is cute panda. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, this one is rooster. Let's go. Go, bro, go. Stop. This is our next destination. And we're gonna unload some vehicles. And this one is police car. And after that, this one is JCB 3X. And another one is, this one is robot. If you think this one car, no, this one not car. And this one is fish. And some vehicles, this one is car, red car, green, yellow car. Pink car, no, white car, and after that, this one is green car. Okay, then let's go. Oh my god, please go.